Let's create a sellable save the date invite for your digital shop in just a few minutes. I'm going to start in the stock templates and search for save the date. I like starting here because it gives me a strong foundation. There's no need to design everything from scratch when we already have beautiful layouts to build from. This one is originally for a baby shower, but that's totally okay. A layout is just a starting point. With a few thoughtful changes, we can easily turn this into a wedding save the date. First, I'm updating the text so it matches the new theme. I always change the wording first because the message really guides the design. Now I'm just moving a few things around and adjusting the layout slightly. Once the content feels right, everything else starts to fall into place naturally. Using the alignment tools makes this part really quick and it keeps everything looking clean and balanced. Once I'm happy with the layout, I'll swap out the images. You can always search in Elements, Photos if you need something new, but this time I'm using images I've already uploaded. After that, you can play around with the colors if you'd like. When everything looks the way you want it, just save your new template and assign it to one of your groups. This makes it so much easier to find later, duplicate it, or create variations for your shop. And if you'd like a deeper look at how groups work, I've already made a full video about that here on the channel. And that's it, a simple way to turn one template into something ready to sell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.